How you doing? This is Miss Grace. If you know, then you know, right? Today's video is gonna take a little bit longer than usual because I have something very important to say to all of you. If you're Tibetan, or if you're someone who's interested in our culture, then you may have noticed that we have these unique ways of living our life. For example, the interaction or the connection we have with our animals, with our yaks, sheep, and horses. We don't butcher them anytime we feel like it. We don't torture them just for fun, just based on our mood. You know? We treat them just like another life. We treat them with respect and honor. And many people may ask that if you love your animals so much, then why do you kill them? Kill them. Why do you eat their meat? Well, I have to say, when it comes to this question, it is a survival problem. We living on the roof of the world, which is in the Himalayas. We have to depend on different sources of food. For example, yak meat, milk, furs, and their down, of course. Stuff like that. You know, in order to survive, there's no choice except depending on yaks. But we have built up this amicable and peaceful and friendly relationship with our animals. And I think it is a very sustainable way of living life, you know. Plus, the world is now suffering from many problems, many health problems, many food problems, environmental problems. But I think our lifestyle is very sustainable, and I think this idea should be promoted even worldwide, you know. And lastly, I just wanted to say we have to depend on yaks, sheep, and horses to overcome this very extreme environment and climate. And I think that's a wrap. Peace. See you next time.